train spotting at Romford station. I can see a 321 in distance. Don't know if you can yet, but it will come. When that 321 comes, we'll try and get it departing. It's coming now. Is it going to come now? Yep, it is. Don't think we're going to get a whistle though. It'd be nice if we could get a whistle. Here it is, it's down. Can we get a whistle? No. Down a Colchester tan. Should be seeing services 1 by Road to Anglia, TFL Rail, maybe London Overground, and yes, I can see some lights coming. That could be a 345, or it could be a 728, or it could be another 331, but it looks like a 345 from the distance. Yeah, that's a 345. Can see it. Yeah, that's a 345. It's a 345. Yep, TFL Rail 345. And it's probably going to London Liverpool Street. Yeah, it is a 345. My favourite train. And that is 345011 off to London Liverpool Street. And there's another there's 011 and there's another 345 that's just got into the station. And we'll see him go past. Not really much trains about today. There might have been some engineering works or whatever on Greater Hampton. But we've seen a 321, hopefully to get more in shot. Yep, it's coming. And that is 345038 off to Shenfield. There it is, there's the 345 going off to Shenfield. Come back when the next train comes. We're just lucky to get on back on. I really don't think we're going to get home. Shall we get home? Very quiet here at the station today. Not much trains coming at all. Must be engineering works. I'll be back when the next train comes. Oh, I saw another train. Yeah, it's number 345. So he's already got to Romford Station. He's already got to Romford Station and he's going to be on his route to Sheffield. So the one going to Liverpool Street should be here, and yes, it's coming, I can see it. So it is 345 014 or 6 Street. And a 321. That's 321. And here comes a 345. That is 345 008 after 78. And then I'll be back when the next train comes. It's here. Let's just film it coming in. Today was so quiet today. So quiet. God. Quiet is the same one for a long time. Here it is. 710115. Going off to London Liverpool Street. Service 345 going off to Sheffield. That's not a service, it's a blank at the front. Let's see if there's any other trains.